Room to Read envisions a world in which all children can pursue a quality education that prepares them to be fulfilled and makes positive change in the world. Hi, I'm Sherry Friedman, and I'm the Chief Financial Officer here at Room to Read. And because I have a team in India, I wake up very early, around 5 in the morning. I really try to give them a couple of hours. I have to get my daughter off to school, and then we have our 2 dogs, Sky and Caviar, who we recently adopted. I think the finance organization plays a huge role in achieving our mission. It took us a couple of years to sort of get to a place where the different parts of the organization are completely aligned around our mission.
There are 750 million people in the world today who can't read and write. 2/3 of them are women and girls. And Room to Read believes that this is a reality that we have to change.
Having the Sage Intacct books has really made a difference for us in our organizations. We complete our audits in a very timely way. Things like Nexonia for our time and expense and our timekeeping. They integrate fully into Sage Intacct, and the organization is now more efficient and effective at producing reports. When we did the analysis, we came up with a 400% return. And being able to really be more transparent. I mean, we were always transparent, but being more transparent. Being able to tell our story in ways that donors are really interested in seeing it. What we would do with the money if we had it, and how are we doing with the money that we have.
Because of the work that we've done with Sage Intacct, we can now focus on our people and our processes, ensuring that our staff are supported to do the good work that we've been hired to do.
I've always been engaged in some form of service, and I wanted to figure out how I could go one step further. For me, I was a single woman, and I wanted to be a parent, and I thought, there are so many children in the world. So the international adoption process for me worked really well and aligned with who I was and who I am in terms of wanting to add to one child's life. When Rachel travels to these countries, she's really moved. You know, Rachel's education is part of my passion, and ensuring that she herself is a lifelong reader.
Not only is she doing something that she's really good at, but she's also helping a bunch of kids get an education. She's willing to help as many people as she can, and she's the greatest person in my life.
When I think about what Sage Intacct has been able to do for us, it's helping us contribute to utilization of our resources in a more effective way. The amount of savings we've put into the organization, the resulting number of children that got impacted by that was a little over 100,000 kids. But the truth is that you really begin to push your own organization. And the thing that I loved about Sage Intacct was that they have this customer for life philosophy. They're right there with you.